Okay, Isa, this is the last lesson for today. It's for science, and these are the means to travel on water. Can you name each one and color the picture?
Yes.
Oh, go back to your seat, baby.
Hi, Mommy. I'm ready for my test.
This is just your assignment, baby.
Oh, it's my test.
Oh, what's this? This is a...
Ah,
Do you know what this is?
yes.
What's that?
It's full of cold water.
Nope.
What's this?
These are the means of transportation. You say it. Means of... you say it. Transport.
For
They.
a
What?
What's color?
No, you say transportation
Transportation
by
by
water.
water.
Diba, yesterday we studied about this, and these are the means of transportation via land. Do you still remember this?
Yes.
Now, we're gonna study about the means of transportation
Oh no, I dropped my color.
via
By a
water.
water.
Okay, this is a raft.
Rat.
No, raft.
Rat.
No, raft. Say it.
Rat.
No, raft.
Rat.
Raft. Yes.
Rat.
Yes. It's made by bamboo, and then
Bamboo.
you tie it together.
Mommy, it's for like this.
Yep. Yeah, tie it together, and then it's gonna float on water, and people use it to
Mommy.
transfer
Mommy.
via water. And this one is, Isa, look at this big one. Oh, it's a
Ship.
Yep. This one is a
Sailboat.
Good. This one is a
Speed.
speed.
Speedboat.
Good. This one is a motor.
Boat.
Good. This one is a
Boat.
one more. This one is a
Mommy, what's this flying there?
no, that's not your lesson. This one is your lesson.
And yeah, I'm studying.
Wow, you're studying. Very good.
Isa, baby, come here.
Go ka na doon.
Isa, can you point the raft? Where's the raft? Yes. Where's the ship? Where is the sailboat? Good. Speedboat. Good. The motorboat. How about the boat? Where's the sailboat? Where? Where's the sailboat? Baby. Isa, where's the sailboat? Good. Speedboat. Good. Motorboat. Good. Speedboat. No. Speedboat. Yeah. Ship. The big ship. Good. Where's the boat? How about the raft? Good. You color it. Can you first color the boat? Isa. Color the boat. Color the boat. Color it hard. The boat. The boat first. No, boat. No? Where's the boat? Ayan. Go. Color it. No? Color it well. Good. How about the raft? Color the raft. Color it. Not the raft. Not the raft. Yes. No? Okay, color it. Isa. You should think carefully before you answer.
Okay. Yellow stick.
Do it well. This is made of what? Made of?
Bamboos.
Yeah, and
And
tie it together
tie it together
and use it to float.
and use it to float.
Yep. Next, color the ship. Yep. Go to your chair, baby. Later, you can watch this. You do it carefully. Go back to your seat, baby. Next is the sailboat that uses the sail. No, it's not the sailboat. Yep. Go. I say sailboat
Sailboat
uses
uses
sail
sail
to catch the wind
to catch the wind
and use it to
and
move.
use it to move.
Okay. Color it well. Oh, you take a look. Oh, stop. Next is the, what's this?
Speedboat.
Yep. Oh, next, the last one is the motorboat. Good.
Bakit?
Done.
Done. Oh, you say done.
Done.
Eh di magtanong
Can I
ka.
go upstairs?
Okay.